a community.
So here's an example of a starting of a gauge swatch. I've done Red Heart Super Saver and Red Heart Soft Baby Steps here. This was done using Red Heart Soft Baby Steps for a newborn hat. So just changing the yarn can actually change the size of your hat. And though it doesn't look like it's that far off of the original of the gray, it's enough of a difference that when you go in a complete circumference of a hat, it can actually change the size quite dramatically, especially for a baby. So you're going to want to do the gauge checking when stuff needs to fit, whether it's an article of clothing or whether you're trying to match something. It makes a huge difference in order to do that. So on scarves, I don't worry about it so much. Maybe blankets, I don't worry about it so much, but if I'm definitely wearing it, I'm gonna wanna use a gauge swatch. At the end of the swatch, once it's done, you're just gonna rip it out, and then you're going to begin using that same yarn to be able to make your sample. The nice thing about doing a swatch first is that you get your hands used to crocheting, so when you're ready for the final sample to go, that you've already got some your hands are already kind of nimble enough to be able to start the work. So it's not like you're starting to crochet just from doing the dishes. You know what I'm saying? You got some practice and you're going to be good to go. So what I need to do is that I need to show you what it looks like on the ball band for the gauge, and then why that really doesn't make a factor when it comes to changing out your yarn.